Hello, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about a small plant, big role, Drymaria cordata, and soil protection. In nature, many valuable plants grow quietly around us without attracting much attention. Among such humble herbs is Drymaria cordata, a small, creeping plant that plays an important ecological and traditional role despite its delicate appearance. Though often mistaken as a weed due to its low growth and tiny structure, this plant holds significant importance in natural ecosystems, especially in moist and shaded environments. I personally observed Drymaria cordata growing naturally in my field in the Kodagu region, near a small stream bank. Initially, I assumed that it was a water-loving plant because it was found very close to flowing water. However, careful observation revealed an interesting ecological behavior. The plant was not growing inside the stream or in standing water. Instead, it was spreading luxuriously along the moist soil of the stream bank. This clearly indicates that the plant prefers moisture-rich soil rather than waterlogged conditions. Drymaria cordata is a small, delicate, creeping herb with thin and fragile stems that spread horizontally along the ground. The leaves are tiny, soft, and arranged opposite to each other, often appearing slightly heart-shaped and light green in color. The flowers are very small, white, and subtle, making them easy to overlook. Due to its creeping nature, the plant forms a dense green carpet over the soil surface, especially in shaded and humid areas such as stream banks, farm edges, garden corners, and forest floors. From a scientific perspective, Drymaria cordata is not an aquatic plant. Its root system is shallow and delicate, requiring oxygen from the soil for proper growth. When submerged in water for long periods, the roots may suffer from oxygen deficiency, fungal decay, or physical damage caused by water flow. Therefore, the plant naturally selects habitats where moisture is present, but drainage is good. Stream banks provide an ideal balance of moisture, aeration, organic matter, and partial shade, which supports healthy and luxurious growth. The climatic conditions of Western Ghats and the Malnad region further enhance the growth of this plant. High rainfall, cool temperatures, fertile soil, and consistent humidity create a perfect natural environment. During the rainy season, the plant grows abundantly and spreads rapidly across moist ground. Its presence often indicates fertile soil and a stable microecosystem. One of the most remarkable ecological functions of Drymaria cordata is its role in soil erosion control, especially along stream banks and sloped moist lands. Because the plant spreads like a living green carpet, it covers the topsoil and protects it from direct impact of rainfall. In regions like Kodagu, where heavy rains are frequent, stream banks are highly vulnerable to soil erosion. Flowing water can easily wash away loose and nutrient-rich topsoil, leading to land degradation. However, the creeping stems and fine root network of Drymaria cordata bind the soil particles together. This natural binding action stabilizes the upper soil layer and reduces soil displacement. It slows down surface runoff and minimizes the loss of fertile soil into the stream. By protecting the topsoil, the plant indirectly supports agricultural sustainability, soil fertility, and environmental stability. Thus, even a small plant like Drymaria cordata contributes significantly to natural land conservation. Apart from ecological benefits, Drymaria cordata also holds value in traditional knowledge systems. In folk practices, the plant has been recognized for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. The fresh leaves are sometimes crushed and applied externally for minor skin irritations, swellings, and small wounds. In certain traditional herbal practices, it is also associated with supporting respiratory comfort and mild digestive balance when used with proper identification and expert guidance. Another important aspect of this plant is its adaptability. It grows naturally without cultivation and thrives in partially shaded, moist, and nutrient-rich soils. It is commonly found near streams, irrigation channels, field borders, and under tree canopies. Despite its delicate structure, it shows strong survival ability in humid environments and regenerates quickly during favorable seasons. Ecologically, Drymaria cordata supports biodiversity by providing microhabitats for small insects, soil organisms, and microorganisms. Its ground-covering growth helps maintain soil moisture and temperature balance. It also reduces weed dominance by occupying open soil surfaces naturally. My field observation in Kodagu provided a valuable lesson about plant ecology and natural adaptation. What initially appeared to be a water-loving plant was actually a moisture-loving terrestrial herb that avoids waterlogging. This highlights the importance of observing plants in their natural habitat, rather than making assumptions based on location alone. In today's modern agricultural and ecological context, small native plants like Drymaria cordata should not be ignored or removed indiscriminately as weeds. They play silent yet essential roles in soil conservancy, ecological balance, and biodiversity support. Protecting such native ground cover plants near stream banks can help prevent erosion, maintain soil health, and preserve natural ecosystems. Drymaria cordata may appear small, simple, and insignificant at first glance, but it possesses remarkable ecological, environmental, and traditional importance. Its ability to grow luxuriantly on moist stream banks, control soil erosion, support biodiversity, and adapt to humid climates makes it a valuable plant in natural landscapes. Careful observation of such humble plants reconnects us with nature's wisdom and teaches us that even the smallest species can contribute greatly to environmental stability and sustainability. Thank you for watching video, share, and subscribe for more videos.